Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. RemedyAI is your local AI partner, ready to tackle knowledge, design, and code tasks right on your machine. This section explains Remedy is a self-improving, multi-channel agent for real work, like research and software engineering. Remedy's core idea is a local continuity system, keeping context lean and memory accurate, making you and your PC feel like one partner. Security is local first by design, meaning Remedy gives maximum capability to you, the owner, without accidental network doorways. The recommended way to use Remedy is the native desktop application, which requires no Python or other toolchains. For power users, RemedyAI can be installed via pip or source, offering CLI commands like remedy config init for advanced control. Ever struggle to keep your LLM conversations on budget? contextpress offers deterministic context compression for chat, RAG, and agent pipelines, ensuring you stay within token limits. This repository, contextpress, focuses on deterministic context compression for your LLM chat, RAG, and agent pipelines, making your interactions more efficient. The project status indicates contextpress is stable for its original use case, maintained at a low cadence, and welcomes pull requests with a 2 to 4 week review cycle. To install contextpress, simply use pip install contextpress, or if you've cloned the repository, pip install e dot for an editable installation. The 30-second quick start shows how to import Context Manager and compress messages with a token budget, with no API keys required for Tier 1. Finally, contextpress supports distinct context types like chat, RAG-doc, and agent, each tuned for specific conversational flows and use cases. Imagine turning any script into a webhook, workflow, or UI instantly. Windmill makes this possible, powering your entire infrastructure with remarkable speed. This section highlights Windmill as a developer platform for APIs, background jobs, workflows, and UIs, fully open-sourced under AGPL v3. The main concepts explain how to define a generic script in languages like Python or TypeScript, which then automatically generates a front-end. Here, we see actual script code, demonstrating how to import dependencies like cowsay and interact with windmill client functions for variables and state. For local development, Windmill offers tools like a CLI, VS Code extension, and GitSync to help you develop and synchronize scripts with your instance. The Stack section reveals Windmill's core, including a Rust backend, Svelte 5 frontend, and runtimes like Bun and Dino, delivering exceptional performance. Misata generates synthetic test data that hits your declared numbers exactly, like a revenue curve from 50KK to 200KK. It even offers a no-code studio. This section, Misata, explains how it generates realistic relational rows that provably match exact revenue curves, fraud rates, and referential integrity. The Declare or Mimic section highlights two modes. You can declare desired outcomes from scratch or mimic existing data's distributions for privacy-safe copies. Under Research, we learn Misata's exact aggregate engine is backed by an archive preprint, proving it hits declared monthly totals to exact $0.00 error. The Install section shows how to pip install Misata and offers optional extras like Misata LLM for multi-provider LLM schema generation. Finally, use Misata from Claude, Cursor, Windsurf, MCP reveals how AI agents design schemas, while Misata guarantees the math, returning data plus an integrity proof. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.